Okay, we'll give 3 idioms. So first, all wet. It means like completely mistaken. So it means that you have true big mistake.
How to spell?
All wet. All wet.
A-L-L?
WET.
Oh,
All wet.
all wet.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
semuanya basah.
Yes.
Gitu ya. Tak kalah basah.
Yes.
Oh ya.
Kepala bahasa.
Yeah, that will make you easy to understand.
Yes.
So,
Okay, the
next.
second, on cloud 9.
Uh-huh.
It means like extremely happy.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. And then the last case rainbows. Yes. Meaning is to pursue unrealistic goals.
Oh.
Yes. Seems like I want to give what Miss Devi said.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chase rainbows.
Chase rainbow.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Next.
Maybe me. I just wanna share some vocabulary, and the first is like Kak Dewi said before, nightmare is mimpi buruk, and then there is learn, belajar, and then there is lose, kalah, and then
Kegagalan,
there's yes kegagalan, and there is a winner, pemenang, and confidence, percaya diri, yeah, just that.
That's all. Okay, thank you. Miss Devi? What do you want to share? Is there a new word?
Maybe like idioms, yeah.
Yeah.
Like for example, Husna has to get a lot of knowledge under his belt before the trip. Under one's belt is like having a lot of experience.
How to spell it? How to pronounce it?
Under W U
S under?
one's under one's belt.
Oh,
belt.
under one's belt.
Belt.
Oh, okay. B-E-L-T.
BELT.
Okay.
Yep.
Next.
Oh, me? Oh.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I just have one idiom for you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, the idiom is it's a dog's life, meaning that life is not always fun and game.
Oh, it's good. It's a dog life. Yes, life is not always fun. The last one, Stanley.
The last one is don't judge a book by its cover. Yeah.
So don't judge me by my cover.
Yeah. Yeah, just
Don't judge me as by
Okay.
my cupboard.
Okay. The meaning is. Would you like to explain? Okay. Finish. That's all. Thank you so much, guys. Give applause to us, and thank you so much for everyone who are listening to our conversation tonight. And we'll see you again next week. Yeah. So bye.